So hello guys, today in this video we will learn about loops. So there are three basic loops. So we have first learn about three basic loops, then we have jumped to the advanced loop in next video. So first is the for loop, and then there is a while loop, and then there is do while loop. So let's use this loop using some problem statement. So suppose if I want to find the sum of 20 integers. Okay, so find the sum of 20 numbers. Okay, 20 numbers. So int, not int, it's let n is equals to 20. So what I have to do is I want to find the sum. So let sum is equals to 0. I consider the sum is equals to 0. So how can I calculate it? I can calculate it using sum 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus up to n, right? So this is how we can evaluate the sum. So what we are doing, we take 1, add it into sum, and then we take 2, add it into sum, then we take 3, add it into sum. So we are repeating the process again and again. So if we are repeating the process again and again, for that we are using the loops. So what I consider the sum initial to be a 0. Now I am using that for loop. I write I here, and then I put if I is less than equals to n, and whenever I got some sum, so I can use it sum plus and whatever the I value is. And now if I will see, I got the sum to be a something. I don't know what is the sum of 20 numbers, but it will get to be a 210. So this is how we can use the for loop inside the JavaScript. Now let's talk about while loop. So while loop is mostly used when we don't know the termination condition, or we don't know till when we have to run a loop. So suppose consider an array. Okay, we will talk about array in other video, but let's see this. This is how we can implement array inside a JavaScript. Now inside this, there are five number has been given, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And what I have to do is I just have to reverse the whole array. Okay. So first we will print what is the actual array. So, and after that we will reverse it. So there are two pointer, one is start, and I put that pointer at 0. Then there is end pointer, which is array dot length -1. Now while start is less than equals to end. So what I have to do is my start pointer is here and my end pointer is here, right? Now what I have to do is I want to reverse this. Uh, on place of start, I want the end value, and on place of end, I want the start value. So what I want is I want 5 here and then 1 here. After that, I have to move the start value here and end value here. Again, repeat that process. So what I want is 4 here, then 3 here, not 3 here, it's 2 here, and then there is 3. So this is how the same process repeat again and again. What we are doing is we get start pointer, we get end pointer. So we put start pointer at 0 and end pointer at this index. After that, when the start is less than equals to end, what I have to do is I just have to swap the values. So how can I swap it? Let's create a temporary variable. Inside this, I put start, and then on array start, uh, we put array end, and then on array end, we put whatever the temp is. After that, we have to move the start, and then also I have to move end here. Okay, and let's print the array again. So we'll see this. We got a reversed array. So this is how we will use the while loop inside the while loop in JavaScript. Now let's talk about do while. So do while is little bit different. So in do while what we are doing actually is do while. Yeah. So first time whatever the termination condition is, suppose if I am written here false. So it doesn't matter if the statement, if the loop will carry the false statement also, then also do while loop will at least run one time. So when I write run one time, so you will see this, I got run one time as an output because do while will at least run one time. It doesn't matter if the statement is true or false. So this is all about basics loop in JavaScript. So more loops we'll study in next video. So thank you guys.